Hello everyone. Welcome to Guidify. In this video, I'll show you how to use HWMonitor to monitor your PC's vital stats. Let's get started. Open HWMonitor. At the top, you'll see your computer name. Below that, you'll see your motherboard, your processor, your storage drives, your graphics card, and your network adapter. First, expand your processor. Open voltages. Here you can monitor your CPU voltage. Next, open temperatures. Here you can monitor your CPU temperature. The value column shows the current temperature. The min column shows the lowest temperature. The max column shows the highest temperature. Next, open powers. Here you can monitor your CPU power usage. Next, open clocks. Here you can monitor your CPU clock speed. Next, open utilization. Here you can monitor your CPU usage. Now scroll down. Expand your hard drive. Open temperatures. Here you can monitor your hard drive temperature. Next, open utilization. Here you can check the used storage space. Now scroll down. Expand your SSD. Open temperatures. Here you can monitor your SSD temperature. Next, open utilization. Here you can check the used storage space. Now scroll down. Expand your graphics card. Open voltages. Here you can monitor your GPU voltage. Next, open temperatures. Here you can monitor your GPU temperature. Next, open fans. Here you can check your graphics card fan speed. Next, open powers. Here you can monitor your GPU power usage. Next, open clocks. Here you can monitor your GPU core clock and memory clock. Next, open utilization. Here you can monitor your GPU usage and video memory usage. Now scroll down. Expand your network adapter. Open speed. Here you can monitor your download speed and upload speed. While you're gaming, keep HWMonitor running in the background. After you finish playing, check the max column. This shows the highest CPU and GPU temperatures reached during your gaming session. If you want a detailed guide explaining every value in HWMonitor, let us know in the comments. We'll make a complete video about it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more easy guides. Thank you for watching.